Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to make a short video on how to remove the cup holder door. I got some new carbon fiber to go there, so I wanted to show you guys how to remove this door. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is, you see this lip right here? In between the silver and here? You're going to want to put your fingers in there, and you're going to just push this back and pull this forward like so, and then the piece will slide out. So you could actually slide the door. And you see, that's what that looks like. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this piece back. Like I said, you're gonna pull this part forward as you do it, and the door is gonna slide right out. I also have to get the little piece over here out. That one I'm not sure. I'm going to try to figure it out, and I'll explain it to you guys the best I can once I get it out, because I have the carbon fiber cover that's going to go over there, which I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I was able to get this piece off. Definitely can't do it on camera because I need both my hands, and I kind of have the tripod resting. But what you're going to do is you're going to get a pry tool like this. You basically have to lift up from the corner here. Do it from the other side, and then hold your hand underneath a little bit, and what you're going to do is you're going to slowly pry upward like so until all of the clips release. This is what they look like. None of them broke. The piece is totally fine, and then once they come up, the piece is basically going to go up and back, and then you're just going to pull it out. So this one's a little tricky. It's very tight in this area, but like I said, loosen it from here, you'll feel it pop very easy in the corner. Same thing from the other side, and then slowly go this way, lift up, lift up, lift up, and then it will go. Just go slow so you don't break it, and then the piece will actually go backwards in here. Once it's released, then you'll be able to just pull it out nicely. I'm going to put the new door on. I'll show you what that looks like. So here's the carbon fiber door. Just going to pull this back a little bit, line it up the best I can to get those tabs in, and then once you have it even on both sides, you should be able to just slide it right back into place like so. There it is. Carbon fiber door installed. This is real carbon fiber. It's not an overlay. The little piece in the back, I got it in before I put that in, which it's pretty hard to see because it's getting dark on me, but it is back there, and that's how that's done. So I'm going to make another video on how to remove and install this piece. I just figured make a video for this, so if somebody's just looking to do this, one video for that makes it easy, because I noticed when I was searching, the videos are very hard to find. So console door, and then I'll do one for the center console by the shifter area. So if you have any questions, guys, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help, and I'll see you next video. Take care.